What is that? Listen up, bitches. You just need to be more CUNT and create a world for yourself. Create a vibe for yourself. Like, I was just laying here, literally just waking up. I was talking to this guy, like, move. Like, get out of my way, like, for a second. Okay, yeah, so I'm just, like, opening my eyes, and I just, like, was responding to this guy, and I was kind of getting annoyed because I feel like I'm attracting just like boring motherfucking people. And you guys know that I'm anything from boring. I really do think it has a lot to do with kind of like my small town and shit like that. And lately I've just been getting very frustrated dating. This is gonna sound so narcissistic and egotistical, but I just don't know how to word it correctly. But let me know if you guys can relate down below to feel. I just feel like I'm so much more like iconic than people. Like I'm so much. I have like a personality. Like I have charisma, and I keep just attracting these like I don't know how to describe it. Like meek or boring or just like that's what it feels like. People, and I'm not talking about like people's looks. I'm talking about like what they're willing to go after, what they're willing to do, their goals, dreams, ambitions, their perspectives, their outlooks on life. Like for example, I was talking to this one guy and I was just kind of being like, I just was kind of talking about something and like it's some sort of conversation, and to paraphrase it, I was like, yeah, I want to like, I want to work really hard and like get rich and like successful, right? And he was like, well, I hate to break it to you, but like people like you and me, I think he was trying to say gay people, the world isn't rigged for us to be, for people like us to be successful. I don't know if he was talking about us being gay or something else, but I just keep attracting these like meek, boring people. You know, and that's the only way that I can describe it, is like, again, has nothing to do with their looks. And this is more why I'm like kind of frustrated, because these people are hot and it's just like, it's just so frustrating. It's just so frustrating when people don't have goals and dreams, and I just want someone to match my energy, right? So if you can relate to how I'm feeling, this is like the advice that I'm kind of giving myself right now. Like, it's okay. Like, it's okay if things aren't working out in the dating scene, or if you're not meshing with people, right? Do not fucking settle. I need you and me to keep our head high, to keep on putting keep on putting on, to keep on putting on those sexy ass outfits and continuing to strut around everywhere we go with every step we take. Like there's a red carpet rolling out everywhere we go for us, because you need to realize you need to unleash your superstar. You need to unleash your inner celebrity. You need to unleash your inner model, your inner main character, your inner icon, and not really settle. You know, I know that sometimes we can be lonely, whether we like see, you know, couples and friends on social media, and we kind of want someone to snuggle. We kind of want someone to share life with, right? So, and you get lonely sometimes, and that's okay. You'll get through those days, you know, continue to go on those dates, because remember, you're going to find love. That's your birthright. But what you're not going to do is literally settle. You're going to keep on manifesting your most iconic dream life, because remember what I just said, it's not a matter of if you're gonna find the love of your life, it's just a matter of when, so to speak, right? And how amazing would it feel when you kept going out there and building your most iconic world for yourself, right? You're wearing all the things you want to wear, you're feeling happy, you're feeling good, you have the best friends by your side, you're either already in your career or you're working on building your career, like you're going on auditions, or you're building your business, or you're posting your content and it's working, it's taking off, and life is just good. And then boom, you attract that partner that matches your ambition, your goals, your drive, your morals, and your mindset. Okay, like, I know it can be lonely out there when you're an icon, because we have so much amazing energy. We have such a different kind of perspective on life. We know and believe that we can really do anything and anything is possible. And unfortunately, most of the world is not there yet, okay? But continue to be a little bit cunty, continue to be cunt, continue to create a vibe, continue to for your life, and don't give in to settling just because you might be lonely. I promise there's so much more life than rushing into relationships just because you're lonely. Like, I want you guys to wake up feeling happy, to waking up feeling turned on by life just because you're alive and the life that you're creating and the things you're going after and the goals you're going after and the friendships you have, the relationships you have, right? The quality of life that you are living, not just finding your worth in a romantic relationship, and you're not settling, because every time you settle, you're not going to be happy in that relationship. So continue to shit around like the main character you fucking are, knowing that the love is coming eventually, and never settle. And I had like a little joke. I made a little jokey joke TikTok about this, and it's like, because everything comes down to perspective. It's like, I really do believe that the visionaries, the outcasts, the Steve Jobs of the world, the future kind of Grammy winners, Oscar winners, successful business owners, like, I really do think visionaries find me, whether it's Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, because I do believe in like vibration attracts like vibration, bitch. You're an icon. I forget where I was going with this thought because I'm just waking up, but yeah, the jokey joke. Like, what if we're just meant to date like celebrity types of people? Like, a little joke I had was like, what if I'm just meant to be Shawn Mendes's first public boyfriend? Like, I know that I'm worthy of love, but I also know that I can't settle because, let's be honest, I'm a different breed, meaning I'm extra. I have charisma, I have personality, I smile, I make people laugh, I'm goofy, I'm silly, I do weird things. Like, I don't take life so seriously. I believe that anything is possible. And sometimes that's just hard to find a match like that in a small town as well. Small town, like, go out to your local city and strut around and take up space and put on a sexy outfit and be iconic. It's not you, it's just the world is filled with some bums. And even that might be a limiting belief, so we need to stay on track and keep saying, for me, I'm gay, I like men. I think men are so beautiful. I think the male bodies, but insert whatever gender you are, but you're into, but like, we need to stop saying like all men are trash, like blah. I really need to stop saying gay men suck, because I'm just attracting the shitty gay men. But we need to reframe it. Like, that's why every single day I just kind of wake up and I say, thank you, universe, for the love of my life. I really do just say that. I have been using gratitude a lot with my affirmations, because I know that the universe and God are going to bless me with my dream life. It's just a matter of holding that vibration and feeling grateful and feeling excited for what's to come, because I know it's going to come, because the universe loves me. God loves me. If I wasn't meant to be here, if you weren't meant to be here, you wouldn't be here. So don't settle and keep manifesting your most iconic dream life. Like I always say, if anyone ever gives you shit for being who you are, tell them I will kick their ass. I love you guys so much.